Join me as I tackle the challenge of using AI to create a viral YouTube short in just one day. Let's see if I can unlock the secret to viral success with the power of AI. Artificial intelligence is changing the game for content creators, making it easier than ever to boost visibility and engagement on social media. In today's video, we'll explore how AI can help you create YouTube shorts that go viral, giving you a major edge in today's competitive landscape. In a saturated market, getting your YouTube shorts noticed is no easy task. Millions of videos are uploaded every day, and algorithms are constantly evolving. It's tough to keep up with the latest trends, capture viewer attention, and maintain engagement when attention spans are shorter than ever. Many creators find themselves stuck in a cycle of posting content that doesn't quite hit the mark, leaving them wondering, what am I missing? That's where AI comes in. AI algorithms analyze viewer behavior, detect patterns, and suggest strategies that can elevate your shorts to viral status. They help you understand what content resonates most, the best formats to use, and how to optimize your titles, tags, and descriptions to match what viewers are searching for. Using AI, you can spot trends and time your posts perfectly to reach the right audience when they're most active. It's like having a personal assistant for your content strategy, helping you create videos that not only get noticed, but keep viewers engaged and coming back for more. One of the most game-changing aspects of AI is its ability to show you what type of content works best for your specific audience. By analyzing viewer engagement, AI can pinpoint the exact style, length, and topic that will make your video stand out. And it doesn't stop there. AI tools also suggest the best time to post, ensuring your video reaches its maximum potential. Now, let's get to the $1,000,000 insight: timing and optimization. With AI tools, you can identify trending topics, formats, and the best times to post. This gives your shorts a higher chance of being discovered and shared by a larger audience. By analyzing your video's performance in real time, AI can even help you refine your content strategy on the fly. AI is a powerful ally in content creation. From identifying trends to optimizing your video's visibility, it's clear that AI can help you cut through the noise and take your YouTube shorts to viral success. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into AI and YouTube shorts. If you've experimented with AI tools, I'd love to hear about your experience in the comments. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips on how to grow your channel and boost your online presence. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you next time.